projectile was seen over Kyiv's skyline early on Tuesday, followed by a bright light and audible blasts. As the scene returned to silence just after 5 a.m. local time, the sound of car alarms could be heard. Moscow has not captured any of Ukraine's 10 biggest cities since beginning its incursion on February 24, the most significant attack on a European state since World War II. It calls its actions a special military operation to denazify the country. Its forces have been bearing down on Kyiv, but have made little progress so far towards the capital itself, despite heavy fighting that has reduced suburbs on its outskirts to rubble. In Kyiv itself, an apartment block was hit by a missile on Monday, killing at least one person, officials said. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel Sean Shaw Vlogs and enjoy watching videos. Be happy and stay happy.